We now know the name of Kimye baby number 3. Say hello to Chicago West. The highly anticipated announcement is finally here, and it may not be a coordinate direction like some were anticipating, but it's still a location. Kim and Kanye welcomed a baby girl this week and have decided to name her Chicago West. Kim made the official name announcement on her app this morning, and I am here for it. First of all, they can call her Shy for short, which is so cute, and when she walks on the playground, her friends can be like, "What's up, Chi-Town?" Not to mention, she'll be able to find endless merchandise with her name on it. Kim hasn't given an explanation as to what the thought process was behind naming her Chicago, but that is Kanye's hometown, so I'm guessing he just wanted to take it back to his roots. Also, Shy West is a dope name. Would you expect anything less from Kimye? Now they have a Saint, North, and Chicago. What do you guys think about Kimye naming their baby Chicago? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and then click right over here to hear Kim defend surrogacy. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey, and I'll see you next time.